Oh, thanks for your question, buddy, about your suspension on your Hilux. I watched a YouTube video that you sent us, and certainly it bounced around on those Bernie dock things. Now, I wasn't able to talk to you particularly and ask you questions, but I wasn't sure whether you'd just done a 2-hour run or whether it's just 5 minutes that the vehicle was bouncing around like that, whether the shock absorbers were hot or just cold. But it's a common problem, and it's not brand specific. To give you some idea, that's the original Hilux shock absorber. Could be improved by a bigger shaft, more oil, and certainly stronger here, because this shock absorber on yours takes the full suspension of the vehicle, not just the shock absorber, because all this is transmits all the load onto the bottom shaft. To improve that, we've actually got one of our shock absorbers that has now got bigger shaft, much more oil capacity, and certainly a lot stronger in the support mechanism down the bottom. No trouble with that at all. 9-stage valves, does an excellent job. There is a Harrier Deluxe one out that we've adapted from racing circles, where it's got, once again, the bigger capacity. It's got nitrogen on it to stop the oil sort of foaming, and the bigger bottom shaft to support the vehicle. That's got adjustable, it's fully adjustable if you're out with your mother-in-law or a big load in the back. Yeah, so that's the adjustment on the shock absorber for strong, from 8 round to 1 for just a light load and just smooth conditions. Easily to adjust under the mudguard. That's quite a really good setup, and it will certainly help your vehicle. However, there's a couple other things I want to show you. That's the standard spring on your Hilux. It's just normally wound springs, same gauge everywhere. But there's a new product in our range which we're very excited about, and that's our smart coil. You'll notice the same gauge wire all the way up except to the last 4 coils, where we've got a gradually swaged down thinner and thinner wire. They track much better, they're better on cornering. They're far easier on the shock absorber, because on full rebound, when they go right up, you don't get that jamming, hammering with that full strong spring. This has some great advantages, where even at curb weight, the top coils actually bend down and sort of kiss each other. And as you get a more load, more and more the coils actually touch, so that the spring becomes stronger and stronger then, with just the bottom coils being able to be used. So that is a true progressive rate coil spring. We're pretty excited about it. It's far better for control, for cornering. And one of the big advantages is on full rebound, it doesn't jam the shock absorber and you can imagine the full rebound where this comes up, how strong that is to actually jam the shock absorber right to the top. This actually, the load reduces and reduces till it's I can press that down by hand. It's quite soft. So thanks for your question. Good quality shocker, and one of our smart coils will fix your problem.